Okay, friends and followers, so I want to get a video rendition of this Omni 6 10-Tec board. That is the CPU board. I want to get a record of the plugs, what they're named, what their numbers are, so I can get this thing back together and you can get your radio back together someday if you care to. Let's get this stuff on the sides. And I'm sorry about the guy who gets a migraine watching the video from turning this around, but this is how we have to do it. Let's get those plugs there. Let's get this one away. And let's get these two here. This Apple phone there, it finally is focusing. And let's get those two there. And there's one kind of tucked in there. And those two. And that one. These are all numbered, but there can be confusion and distress at times when you work on these darn things. So it's good to get a video document of what you are dealing with. All right, I think we've gotten all those. There's a little red wire here that goes across the board. That doesn't matter. Okay, this one is what? That one is 54, 84, 54, 84. Don't wipe these stickers off. Okay, that one is 88. And be careful in the sticker. Should probably pull it out by the plug. It's stiff. Well, that one's really in there. And of course I can't find pliers, so I'll ignore that one. This one here is called A for Alpha. Let's take that one out. And this one is 97. And that one is going to be 87. And this one is, whoops, it's a double one. It's double trouble, 64. 64 goes with 66. Right there. How about those two guys there? Okay, this one is 69, and we know what that number was used for back in the 60s with the nice hippies. That one's 72, and yep, I'm that old to know what hippie is. Hey hippie, why is your hair so long? Hey hippie, take a bath, take a shower. They didn't like to take a bath or shower, apparently. Okay, this one is 95. This one is 94. This one is 83 and 82. All this trouble for one little chip. 81. 82. Come on. Jeez. Oh well, get that one later.